everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Linda's Creative Boutique. I am so happy that you decided to stop by, and for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And for those of you who have subscribed and been subscribed for a minute, thank you so much for hanging in here with me. I'm going to show you a haul today. First, it's what you see before you right here are items from Michaels, and I just have a few items, so I just wanted to kind of throw it in really quick. But first I picked up this little storage box. It's by Simply Tidy, and it's 7.9 by 7.9 by 3 inches, and I just got it to use here in my craft room. Put that aside. And then they had on sale, actually that was on sale for like I think it was like $6. And then I picked up these string lights right here. They're the fabric lantern lights, and it's one set, and you get 10 lanterns on here. And this was $19.99, but it was on sale, I think it was 40% off. So I paid like probably $11 for it. So I picked that up. Also, I picked up these little storage pouches. This one right here is both of them are 3-piece, and this one is, you get it's 10.75 inches by 14 inches, and those are the different colors you get: green, blue, and like a red. It's red. So I got one of those. And then I picked up this one also. This one has the same colors, and this one is 12 by actually 13 and a half by 13 and a half, and I got these to use here in my craft room. Also, I thought this was really cute. It was at the register. It's a Peep, and I love Peeps. And this one is a bunny plush, and these were $4.99, and then I had a coupon, so I used my coupon on it. But I just thought this was cute. I'm gonna style it somewhere here in my craft room, but I love Peeps, so I thought I'll get this one. They had it in this color, and then they had it in a blue. And then lastly, I just picked up some more of these flowers that I had bought before. They were 99 cents, but now they have them for 79 cents. So I just picked up these colors that you see before you. Okay. Now to my Hobby Lobby. Now some of this is clearance. Some is regular price, and some was on sale. So I already have on my desk here a few things, so I'm going to show you these. They have these the balloon dogs for 87 cents. So I got these to use on projects. And then they had the acrylic blank bookmarks for $2.49. They weren't on sale. And then I also got the cold transfer stickers to use with them. I just wanted to kind of try these out. I've seen them over and over and didn't really, didn't purchase them, but I thought I would try them and see how I like them. And these were the prices. And then you get this one. This one is like more geared toward reading. And then you have that print. Then you have this print. I wasn't particularly fond of the mushrooms, but it's on there, so. And then I also picked up the round stickers that you can use on the round acrylics. So I just got them to try them out, just to see how I like them and see if this is something that I would like to, you know, continue to use and possibly sell in my business. And then I picked up these wax seals. They were $4.99 for, you get 600 pieces in here. And I thought that wasn't a bad deal, because sometimes when you buy the little jars, you get maybe this amount, just maybe a few more for that price. So I thought this was a pretty good deal. And those are the bookmarks. And then they had this mouse pad for 74 cents. I got this to use in my crafting. And then they had these Deco Mesh squares. They were regular $13.99. I got them for $3.49, and I picked up this this brown color and then this red color to use in an event that I have coming up. And they were $3.49 a piece, regular $13.99. Then I picked up this little Garden Friend swing for $2.24. I thought this would make like a cute little display for something, you know, I can use in my events. Then I picked up these little SpongeBob socks. They were $1.49 a piece. It says Men's Crew, size 8 to 12. They were regular $2.99 a piece. And then I picked up two more of these tapered tumbler cups. They had a lot of different colors. They had white, this color, the pink one I got before, purple. From what I can remember, those are the colors that they have. But I've just picked up these two blue ones. They were $2.24, regular $4.49. And then they had this contact paper. It's a gold glitter paper, and it was $4.49 marked down to $2.24. And I know I can use this in my crafting, so I picked that up. And then I picked up 3 more of these. In my previous video, I hauled the pink ones. I think they were pink. But this time I got this tan color. And they also had the smaller ones, but I'm trying to see if I just had 3. They also had the smaller ones, but I didn't want the smaller ones. I got the larger ones. And these were $3.99. Again, marked down from $7.99. So I picked those up. And then they had this new, like, 70 Vibes. I hadn't seen this one before. Silicone alphabet mold, and it's groovy. It's the groovy font. And I thought this would make really cute initial keychains. So I picked that up. It's the, it says upper and lower case. Upper and lower. Oh, they're the lower. I'm like, where are the lower? Okay, so they're just on the back. So you get 2 of them in here. So that was $3.99. That wasn't a bad deal. Let me see, I had to find somewhere to put stuff. My desk is kind of crowded right now. I'm doing some straightening up and cleaning up in my craft room, and yeah, so I got stuff on my desk. I also picked up this He Is Risen. It's a trying to get it all in here. Can y'all see that? It's one of those garden flags, but I'm not going to use it as a garden flag. I'm going to use it for something else, for a display. So I picked that up. And then they had, let's see, let me just put those up here. And then they had these medium birch bark side rounds. They were regular $7.99, marked down to $2.24. So I picked up 3 of those. They only had 3 actually, and I just got them all. And then I picked up these little notepads. This one was 62 cents, and just a little flower, marked down from $2.49. And then this one was $4.49, marked down to $1.12. And I thought this was super cute. this little butterfly, and you open it up and it has like little flowers on each page, and it's lined. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up these acrylic numbers, and they were $112, and you get a set of 2, so you get both sides, little crafting mirrors. And then I picked up this Stamp Straight tape because I do have the Empress Art stamp items, so those were 99 cents, and I don't know what the price was because they got it covered up. And then I picked up this little Flower Power ruler. I just thought this was so cute. It's Good Daisy, and y'all know my mom's name was Daisy, so anything with daisies, like, I just loved it. And this was 74 cents, marked down from $2.99. I'm getting to the end, y'all. This isn't a real big haul, but I got quite a few things. And then I have here these little Easter glass, I guess they're like little egg holders, but they were $3.49 with 40% off, and so I just thought these were really cute to use in my crafting. And then also I thought this little bunny was cute. It was $3.49 with 40% off. And I'm going to take this ribbon off and I'm going to do some extra little stuff to it, but I just thought it was really cute. I'm going to zhuzh it up a little bit. And then I picked up these two He Is Risen wreath. Can y'all see that? And they were $2.49 with 40% off, and I got 2 of them. And then I picked up 2 of these stuffed iron-ons. They were $1.37 a piece, marked down from $5.49. I got 2 of those. And then I picked up these 24 cards and envelopes. All the Paper Studio items were 40% off. So this was 40% off, $4.49. And I just thought these were super cute designs. And they match like my my little flower theme items that I'm working on. So I picked up those, and you get 24 cards and envelopes, if I didn't say that already, and you get 6 designs for each, so it's 48 pieces in here, and they're 3 by 3 inches. And then I picked up these little carrots for $3.99 with 40% off to use in my crafting. And I picked up these antique brass plated decorative tacks for 74 cents, marked down from $1.49. And I picked up one of these little strawberries. It was $3.99 with 40% off. This is one of their spring items. So again, just like the little flower I purchased, I'll be using this in like my photo props and things like that. And then I picked up these acrylic blanks. These are the little bows, and you get 6 of them in here, and they are 3.125 by 3.58 inches, and just something I wanted to try out here to use in my crafting. And lastly, I picked up another roll of the gift wrap to make bags with, and this was $4.49, and their gift wrap is always half off. So I picked up this design. I thought that was really pretty. And guys, guess what? That's it. That is everything that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I think this is round 3 that I've been to Hobby Lobby, but I've been looking for some things for some events and whatnot that I'm working on. So of course, every time I go in there, I always pick up extra stuff. I just can't help it. So I picked up those items. And if you all hear like something in the background like water, my daughter decided to get up early this morning as I started my video to wash her hair. So so that's what you what you will probably hear in the background. But I want to thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. Y'all, I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, because you really don't have to, and it really means a lot to me. And I hope to be bringing you some more crafty things that I'll be doing within the next few days. And I believe that's it. So until my next video, you all take care of yourselves, and as always, be blessed. Bye. Guys, I forgot to share one thing with you all, and I will insert a picture, but I also found on clearance one of the OttLights that were regular $76.99, and I got it for $38. I have been wanting one of those forever. But it's the magnifying light, and you can either stand it on the floor or you can put it on your desk. I'll be using it on the floor because the stand that it's on it's a good size, and it would take up a lot of space. But I'm gonna just insert a picture of what I found for you all to see, and that's it. So again, as always, take care of yourselves and be blessed. Toodles.